I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. It's time to make some tacos, and today it's going to be chicken tacos with a salsa verde. And salsa verde is basically tomatillos that have been roasted with some peppers. It's fantastic, it tastes great, and it's right here on Austin Eats. I'll start by grilling tomatillos, a few serrano peppers, and a couple of cloves of garlic. To make the salsa verde, I'm going to add some white onion to my blender, along with the tomatillos, the serrano peppers, the garlic cloves that I have peeled, add a little bit of cilantro and the juice of 1 lime, and of course some kosher salt. Give that a spin until it all comes together. It's going to take a couple of minutes. And that's looking pretty good. Perfect. Now it's time to make some tortillas. I have some fresh masa that I'll just flatten into a tortilla shape and then grill it up. There's just nothing like fresh corn tortillas. While the tortillas cook, I'll prepare the chicken. I had a chicken breast that was already cooked that I just shredded, put it in a pan with a little bit of oil, and added the salsa verde. Be generous with the salsa verde because the chicken is dry and will soak it up. Let this simmer for a moment or two and heat through. Then load up those corn tortillas and top them any way you like. I topped mine with a mixture of cilantro and white onion and a little bit of cheese. These were tasty. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. I have new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.